con otro pasas el rato. Vamos a ser felices los cuatro. Que agrandamos el cuarto.
Alright, Cam's interrupting my vlog, but what is up, guys? I'm here with the homies.
What's up, guys?
Anthony, Jimmy
Hooks.
We got Jimmy Hooks and we got Jerry. And we're doing a photo shoot of the M's. I wonder whose M this is. Whose M is that?
It's my new car.
Hey.
I've been saving up for this for almost a year now. Came up from the SI, you know, minor setbacks for major comebacks, you feel me? But yeah, it's a 6MT. It has 111 miles, no subframe cracking whatsoever. It's a clean car, and I'm speechless.
But yeah, he just got his dream car, which is beautiful because I just got mine too in February. So it's nice seeing all the homies get, you know, stepping up their game, you know, getting their dream cars, because, you know, hard work pays off, obviously. And we got the 335, about to be the fastest car here. And then we got Jerry's M3. Sorry I'm talking like that, but yeah, we out here taking some shots. If you guys want to take some shots and you guys are from Modesto or around there, just hit me up on IG. We're always down to take pictures and stuff. Damn, Cam, you happy, huh?
Yep, I've been having like little to no sleep because of this car.
That's how it is, though. That's how it is. Jimmy!
Hey! You're next.
You're next. All right, what's the...
I should have shaved those.
What's the... Okay, shit. Let me cover your face now. All right, let's see.
Let me use the helmet.
All right, get the helmet. Where's it at? Oh, it's all the way. It's pretty far. You gonna put it on? Hey, that jacket's fresh, though. That jacket's fresh. Sponsored by all those businesses, huh? Mm-hmm. That's how it is. All right, we're back.
Back in the bed.
I don't know who this guy is. Hey, but we're matching. Look at it. Hey.
Hold on. I'm matching too. I forgot. Look. Oh wait, you guys were on Apex. Oh shit.
Yeah.
This was different. No?
All right, what's the plans for the 335? Let me see. What's the plans?
All right, I'm gonna do an intake.
What does it have right now? What does it have right now?
Muffler delete.
Muffler delete.
That's it.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Lies. You got a fucking stage 2 now.
Don't tell nobody.
Don't tell no one. All
I'm doing the VRSF intake, VRSF downpipes. I'm doing the MHD stage 2 tune. Next week I'm doing the stage 1 tune before I get the intake and shit. So yeah, lower it. I don't know what else yet.
Cats? Delete cats?
Delete cats. Doing that shit next week too.
Hey, pop.
I popped with fucking Ivan earlier. I think I fucked up my cat, so I'm gonna just take him out.
Fuck it, might as well.
Might as well.
All right. Who's next? We got Jerry or Anthony who wants to go next?
Let me tell you guys, first of all, about my Acura Integra.
Okay.
1200 horsepower NA motor.
Yep.
Drag radials up front.
Yep.
And
what else?
2.5 VTEC converters.
Yeah.
2.5 VTEC.
Scion.
Yeah,
We got fans.
It was like everybody just kind of backed up. Maybe you were doing a retail.
Oh.
like also.
Yeah. So like a club or something? Or?
Yeah, it's an exclusive club here in Modesto, California.
Oh, is that it?
But all of our members are like out of town right now.
Oh, really?
So yeah.
I mean, it really is a club.
Yeah.
Oh, you're not just putting me on.
No.
No.
Okay.
Yeah. If you go online, it's called the Dog Pound.
Dog
Dog Pound BMW.
Oh, okay.
We have like our own organization. We hold the meets and stuff.
Oh, okay. But you have to have a helmet in order to do it? No.
For some events.
Those are the leaders.
Safety purposes.
The leader has the helmet.
Well, it was cool. I saw you guys come in and kind of park it.
Oh.
I was curious what was going on.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Have a good day.
That doggy treat.
You get that shit on the vlog, right? I got it. All right, Jerry, what's up with you? What do you have right now and what do you plan on getting next?
I don't have anything special right now. I'm slow.
Special? What you mean special?
So far all I have is a AFE stage 2 intake. H&R springs, but I'm getting KW coilovers. Advan TC3s, 18 by 10.5 square, 2012 set. And next is a supercharger. So
hey, what kind of supercharger? Undecided?
I am getting the ESS 600 kit.
Hey.
620. One of those. I forgot what it is.
Gang, we out here doing big things.
Dang. But I need a daily first, because you see the way these MPGs are set up.
Yeah, these MPGs aren't good.
I forgot to mention, I daily Civic hybrid. Civic hybrid. I'm doing.
What are those? Hey, what are those? What are those? Hey, I might need to get some.
Those are my sandals. Classics.
Hey, are these brand new?
Brand fucking.
Damn.
Show the cotton inside. Boom. You're so proud of those shoes, I swear.
Oh shit.
Hey, watch out, ladies. You don't want you.
Oh shit. Watch out. Oh wait.
Lock your dog or something.
Lock your dog. Okay. 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 Come on. Let's go. Let's go. We're taking a tour.
For all you hating ass niggas on YouTube,
Yeah.
we know there's a dent right there. No need to point that shit out. All right. We're tired of your bitch ass comments.
No dislikes.
No dislikes.
Yo. Where's he at? Oh shit, he's right there. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. Hey.
Oh shit, I think you fell.
I might got max zoom in my camera right now.
So wave hi to the camera.
Tell him wave hi. Hey!
Dude, he's got a little mirror on.
Bruh, he's out. Are you out? Alright, later, Cam.
Oh, but yeah, that's 335 bitches.
Alright.
He's a ring.
I'm out.
Alright, everyone's leaving?
Alright,
Alright.
Where are we going to eat?
Alright, Coco Vlogs.
Alright.
You'll see me at F4 next time.
Peace. We all, oh yeah, I'm gonna get you leaving. I was about to end it. We all ended, but alright. Turn that bad boy on. Alright, we're gonna end the vlog.
He took Sliwu with him too. I'm salty.
We're gonna end the vlog.
Follow me on IG, Jimmy E92_Jimmy. Bye. Have a beautiful time.
I'll put their IGs on the, what is it called? Description box.
Jerry, the real Jerry.
The real Jerry. I put it on the description, guys, so you can follow. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Peace later. Bye.